impatiens.
Oh, right. Pink?
No, red and orange.
Well,
Red and orange impatiens are going
no, that's
there.
not it.
What?
I've paused and restarted the video
Yeah.
because you and I, you got me almost laughing when George is in there vomiting. And I knew we were going to get caught.
Oh, there you have that.
Why'd you do that? So,
Don't step on the seal.
last night George was eating from the litter box,
Don't step on. Oh, that's disgusting.
and we just ran and hid. And this morning during breakfast, George was puking, and my mom and I were laughing. So that basically it, Mom? Yeah.
Did he ruin the couch?
What?
Did he ruin the couch?
What couch?
On the porch.
No, don't we have extra cushions?
What?
I don't think so. Actually, I was tempted to just turn the damn cushion over, but it's better this way. But I think all that stuffing is going to come out.